Hi viewers, welcome to my video Harvest Finance Farm Coin. Basic information, important technical analysis, price prediction update forecast, quick update. Harvest Finance Farm Coin last 24 hours time of recording this video. 14% price increase jump. Current technical indicator sentiment overall bullish. Trading above stable coin long term trending bullish zone. Binance listed coin trading Binance. Last 1 month performance, Farm Coin, 15 days positive growth, 50% performance last 1 month. Fear and Greed Index, 70. Farm Coin, Harvest Finance, price volatility, 10% high volatility last 1 month, 10% price volatility, high volatility last 1 month. Coming days, coming sessions, price value increasing, rise, best time investment, buy entry trade, hold, medium term, short term hold, profitable. Harvest Finance 24-hour trading volume 53 million, market cap 55 million, market dominance 0.01%. Harvest Finance highest price, high cycle, last cycle low price 118 USD. Harvest Finance current circulating supply 6,85,000 farm. Out of supply 6,91,000 farm. Current daily supply inflation rate 0.57%. It means 3,900 farm created last 1 year. Current daily supply inflation rate 0.57%. It means 3,900 farm created last 1 year. Farm coin last 1 year price increase up 170%. Against Bitcoin price increase up last 1 month 3%. Farm coin 17 cryptocurrency exchanges listed, 20 pairs. Binance listed coin trading Binance, Coinbase, guia.io, Maxi, crypto.com, famous cryptocurrency exchanges listed. Farm coin currently RSI relative Western index momentum value around 57.65 indicates Harvest Finance coin market near overbought position, momentum rising, upside price will increase, rise. Currently RSI indicator around 57.65. Currently trading above simple moving average, very important indicator. SMA, EMA, exponential moving average trading above 200-day SMA, EMA. This indicator signaling bullish, buy signal. Long-term trending bullish zone. It means stable coin. Currently 50-day SMA, EMA. This indicator signaling bullish, buy signal. Short-term trending bullish zone. Currently daily lower SMAs, EMAs 21.1053 signaling bullish, buy signal. It means recent trending bullish, buy signal. Weekly SMA, EMA 150.21 signaling bullish, buy signal. Support levels, entry points 70 USD, 60 USD, and strongest support level entry point 50 USD support level entry points. Resistance levels 87 USD, 93 USD, and 105 USD resistance levels. Based on Farm Coin Harvest Finance forecast, current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish. Trading above stable coin long-term trending bullish zone. Trading above. Binance listed coin trading Binance. Near overbought position, momentum rising, upside price will increase, rise. Last 24 hours time of recording this video, 14% price increase up. It means best time, exact time, investment, hold, medium term, short term hold, profitable. Harvest Finance, Farm Coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.